Okay, let's see what we have here. Looking to trade the Nasdaq today. Making sure everything is good. So far everything looks good. Making sure I'm live, and we're gonna start. Looking to start 5 more minutes. I don't see anything right now. I do see some type of resistance right here, but let's see. I don't see anything right now. I do see some type of resistance right here, but all right. Let's see. I don't see anything right now. I do see some type of resistance right here, but so we got that working. So I'm gonna wait 4 more minutes till the market opens. All right, let's see what's going on here. So we do have some resistance right here, so I'm looking to see what's going on. I don't see any trades right now. Most likely I'm just going to wait for the market to open. All right, so hopefully I get a couple of people on the live stream, but if not, we are going to continue. I'm outside in my backyard, so you probably hear birds, a couple more, things outside, but let's get this party started. All right, so the market's about to open. Before I trade, I'm gonna show some type of disclaimer. I'm gonna show some type of disclaimer before I start anything. Nice little drop. So let me show you this disclaimer real quick. I don't see any trades right now. Let me see, make sure. Hold on a minute. Yeah, I don't see no trades right now. All right, so let me show this disclaimer because that's what you have to do. All right, so here's the quick disclaimer. Make sure I'm not missing any trades. I don't see anything right here. Nah, I'm not gonna take that. All right, quick disclaimer. Alright, let's get this party started. Of course, I'm not giving anyone financial advice. This is entertainment and educational purposes only. Let's get to the charts now. Let me see here. Cool. So overall, I'm definitely going to try to explain what's going on right now. All right, so let's see what's going on here. All right, let me see. We got the 1 minute. All right, so let's go on with my. All right, possible long right here. All right, I gotta go long. I'm late in this move. Most likely. Let's see what's going on with this. Hopefully we get a nice little pop, but if not, you know, it is what it is. All right, so I have to basically make sure 76, 81. Let me see, 81, 76. Trying to making sure. I'm here late on the trade. Just give me a second. 25. So I need 81, 25. There we go. We out. So I'm up to actually 310 right now. Nice little trade. And just give me a second. I'm going to try to explain things real quick. All right, so if anybody has any questions, let me know. But overall, basically, let me go out and show you what I'm looking at right here. Okay, so basically, look at the whole market. It's ranging, right? It's ranging. So we have resistance right here, obvious resistance, right? That's obvious resistance. And also we have, right, we have multiple support around here, right? So we have, let me show you real quick. You know, buyers came around here, buyers came here. Okay, you see this, right? Support. So all these areas right here is support. Okay, so basically what we did was we hit resistance at the open, we sold down, and we bounced off of support. That's why I took that quick long. Okay. Now, what the market is going to do right now, of course, we don't know. But at the same time, I'm not looking to trade in the middle of support right now because it doesn't make any sense to me. But we did had support right here, and we also had resistance up top. So that's what the market is doing right now. It's just bouncing off these resistance lines up top right here, right? And it's bouncing off this support right here. Very straight to the point. You just have to know what to look for and, you know, how to get in. Okay, me personally, I don't get in just because I see resistance. I don't get in just because I see support. Okay, me personally, especially now the way I trade, I'm looking for smart money to come in the markets. And that's what I've been doing, I would say, the last month and a half. But overall, even before that, before I was doing that, I was still making money because I was just using regular support and resistance, just the way I showed you. Okay. Now, I think eventually the market will break out. So I'm thinking right now the market will probably break up to the upside. If you look at the structure, let's look at the structure real quick. This is a big channel, right? We broke this channel, right? As soon as we broke it, guess what? We rejected the channel. So this tells me most likely we will probably going to continue to go back to the top. So I wouldn't be surprised if the market probably goes back to the high. And if it goes back to the high, we probably have a nice little bounce, probably a little high. So it probably looks something like this. Let me show you if I could. Let me see if I could show you. I don't know if this whiteboard was gonna. Can you see this whiteboard? Let me see if this whiteboard works. Nah, the whiteboard is not working. But let me show you if I. Let me see if I can actually. Let me see here. I'm gonna show you exactly what I'm looking at. So basically, most likely we could probably go back to the high, break out, maybe pull back to the high like this, and, you know, continue to go back up. Okay. So basically, trading, guys, trading is all about the structure of the market. You have to understand the structure of the market. It's not about setups. Okay. Setups help you get in the trade. Okay. It helps you get in the trade. But you want to understand the structure. It's the most important part. Because just think about it for a second. We have so many setups. You just go to Google and type in, you know, chart patterns. 1,000s or thousands of different chart patterns will come up. Okay. So we all know that chart patterns is not the holy grail, or you know, if it's not the answer. Okay. If it was, guess what? You know, most people would be rich and, you know, trading full time. But overall, you have to understand the structure of the market. You have to understand the context. So if we don't make this new high, okay, it's a possibility we could continue back down. So we'll see. Right now, I don't like trading right now. You know, the market, like, this was a good trade. I'm not gonna lie. I didn't want to take it though because overall, I'm still not sure what the market wants to do. Okay. And if you're not sure, then don't take it. Don't have FOMO. Nice, you know, nice rejection. Okay, if you look at this, this is a classic head and shoulders right at resistance. So let me show you this real quick. So that was a good scalp, but me personally, I didn't want to take that trade. Okay, so let me show you exactly what I'm talking about here. We got the head right here. We got the left shoulder right here. We got the right shoulder right here. Okay, classic. Right now it's too early for me to figure out what these guys want to do right now. We are in a ranging market, so I'm trying to figure out. And I told you guys before that I what I'm looking at right now, the structure is telling me there's a strong possibility we might break to the highs. That's what the structure is telling me. Why? Because guess what? We broke out of this channel and we barely broke out of this channel and buyers came right back in. So there's a strong possibility we can actually go back to the highs. That's what I'm looking at right here. So if we don't go back to the highs, right, and we break down, okay, now I can see, all right, this is what these guys want to do. All right, if we break down, now I see, okay, this is what these guys want to do. That's what I want to do right now. I want to just wait a little bit, not force any trades. I want these guys to show me their hand a little bit. Just show me exactly what you're trying to do, okay? Trading is all about being patient and not rushing. But that was a nice trade right there. Beautiful trade. If I took this trade, I wouldn't be mad at myself at all. So it would be a nice little scalp. But overall, I like this buy right here. I might take this buy if it closed. I might take this buy right here if we close good enough. If I want to see the close of this bar right here, I'll take it. I'm gonna take it with 2 contracts because it's just a big bar. 81.50. So if it goes above that big bar, but right now sellers is coming in, so I didn't get filled. I didn't get filled yet, so that's good. Now this would be, you know, my old self would probably sell this right here. My old self would probably sell this. Oh my gosh, you know, sellers is coming in, which is, you know, is very true. That is 100% true. But that doesn't mean anything. Doesn't mean anything right now. Okay, we still stuck in this stupid range right here. I'm gonna show you this range that we're stuck in. This range right here. Okay, we're still stuck in this range. So me, you know, taking a short right here is kind of dangerous because buyers could come right back in. My old self would definitely take that trade. I want to see how buyers, if buyers come in this area. If they don't, you know, they just don't. But if buyers come in this area, I might, you know, might take a long right here. But overall, sellers right now is looking good because we have resistance. Okay, we have resistance up top right here. Let me show you right quick. We have resistance that is definitely respecting resistance right here. We did create a nice little head and shoulders. Okay, we created a nice little head and shoulders right here. So right now, yes, the sellers they definitely look like they are in control, but we're still stuck in this stupid range right here, which, you know, me personally, I don't want to, you know, jump the gun right now and go short just because sellers look like they're in control. I'm more right now on the buyer's side right now. So depending on this, depending on if we get buyers, I'll look to go long. But right now, if they push it down, then that's even better. Okay, that's even better. So I know exactly what what they want if they push it down. So it looks like they're going to push it down. So this channel might break out and continue to go down lower, back to the lows, pre-market lows right here, and then we go from there. But overall, guys, definitely sellers look like they are in control. Kind of weak though. Sellers are weak right now, but they are in control right now. We have resistance, we have head and shoulders, we have rejections, so it's good. So overall, I do expect probably, they probably will go back to the lows right here. We'll see. If you guys have any questions, let me know. Let me see what's going on here. Like, I want to take this long right here, but I guess I'm too late. I want these guys to show me. I didn't want to get too ahead of myself. Hold on, let me make sure. Man, I wanted to take this long, but right now I'm being cautious. So I'm not gonna push it. Like, I want to take this long, but I'm being cautious. I'm not trying to what do you call that? I'm not trying to that was definitely the long I wanted to take, but I'm not trying to push the gun right now. I'm trying to figure out what these guys want to do. All right. The only reason why I'm trying to figure out, because we have resistance right here. We have sellers coming in. This was a nice long, but I didn't want to, force it. If they give me an entry on the long side, I would take it. But right now, it looks like they're going to just keep going up, and they're not going to give me an entry. So I missed that trade. It's all good. I don't mind missing trades. I'm at a stage right now where I don't mind missing. I don't mind, if I miss trades. So this would have been a nice little quick winner right here. But I don't mind missing trades because I want to make sure, when I take a trade, I feel good about it. Buyers are still stepping in. So that tells me that there's a strong possibility they can still push this market back up to the top. If you're just joining in, I actually took my first long right here, and I got a quick 1-to-1 off of that one. But I'm still waiting. Still trying to figure out what these guys want to do. It looks like the buyers right now are trying to take control. I'm trying to figure out if these guys want to give me an entry, but the way it looks, this market just goes straight up, without giving me an entry, which is cool. I'm okay with that. So yeah, so most likely we probably see the highs. It'll probably break the highs because buyers came at that support level and they look like they're holding price. Definitely look like it's holding right now. All right, so let me see here. If anybody have any questions, let me know. That was a nice little long. Nice long. I didn't want to force it though, because, you know, this resistance looks strong. There's a strong possibility we was going to continue to go back down. I didn't really want to fight the sellers. Didn't really want to fight the sellers right here. So me personally, if I wanted to go long right here, I wanted a little bit more confirmation. But overall, I think the buyers might be in control right now. I'm just trying to basically get a decent setup right now. Like, I could be aggressive and buy right here, but I'm not trying to be aggressive right now. All right, so yeah, like I said, if I was aggressive, I took this trade right here, and most likely this trade will work out. But, you know, I'm just trying to you know, stay calm right now, and that's the best thing to do. Trust me, because what's gonna happen is, you know, you're gonna be a trader that always chase price, always, you know, create bad habits, and you don't want to do that. Okay, and you know, you definitely really don't want to chase price at all. But right now, the bulls definitely looks like they are in control, and I was hoping. This is what I was hoping. I was hoping these guys retrace back to support somewhere, and I would get some type of entry right here, so I can get that move to the upside that I'm looking for. But, you know, it is what it is. You know, just be patient. If I was aggressive, like I said before, if I was aggressive, I would definitely be in this move right here. Right here, this move right here. This move would still be good. It would still be intact. Because, I mean, if you do this, you know, for a long time, you can just tell, you know, when they trap in the buyers, when they trap in the sellers, okay? And pretty much right now, that's what my trading is mostly about, especially my entries. My entries about, you know, thinking about either trapping the sellers, okay, and basically looking to see when smart money is coming in. Okay, I'm looking to see when smart money is coming in. Once you start to look at the market that way, it will just basically change your view of trading, period. To me, you know, I got caught up with, I mean, overall, there's some decent information out here, but I think it's basic. And there's nothing wrong with the basic information out here, because guess what? I've been making money with the basic information. Okay, with the basics, you know, information that's out here, I still make money because I understand, risk to reward. Okay. But at the same time, once you can understand the bigger picture, which, understand traps and understand smart money coming in the market, I think your trading will be much, much better. And that's the stage I'm at right now. So the market is doing exactly what I thought it was going to do. We are pushing up, so most likely we're going to break out here. Maybe I definitely wouldn't go short right here. I know a lot of rookies probably going to go short in this area right here. Okay, a lot of rookies probably going to go short right here. I definitely wouldn't be going short. It's probably going to do something like this. Hopefully we'll pull back. We'll see. We'll see. I'm gonna see if I get one more trade. Going on. Hopefully I get one more trade. Is it safe? Put it like this: is it safe to short right here? And if not, why? Well, me personally, I wouldn't short right there. I'm gonna tell you why. Okay. Now, can this work? Yes, it can work. Okay. So if you, like I said before, if you just listen to regular basic information, they will tell you resistance, right? Just because there's resistance doesn't mean I'm going to short. Okay. Number one, I need to see, for me to even go short, period, I need to see multiple confirmations. I need to see if smart money is coming in. Okay, that's number one. Number two, look at the structure. It's obvious buyers want to push this market up. Why? Because we had this big channel, we broke it, but we didn't go that far, right? So buyers came in right here. You notice buyers came in right here. We try to go down one more time, guys. All right, and guess what? Buyers came in once again, and they didn't just come in. Look how they basically bought this market up. So for me to short this right here doesn't make any sense. That tells me that the way the real direction is to the upside. I wouldn't short this right here. If you go short, can this work? Yeah, but I'm looking at probabilities and high quality. Is this labeled as a high quality trade? Not in my not the way I trade. No. So right now, buyers is coming up. Okay, buyers is going up. So hopefully I get some type of retracement or pullback. Hopefully the market decides to pull back. Like I said, if I decided it was a nice little aggressive entry right here, but it is what it is. I didn't take it. Kind of too aggressive for me, but it worked out. So I'm looking to see if I get a decent move right here. I'm sorry, a decent entry. But overall, if anybody have any questions, let me know. So sellers is coming in. Okay, 10 o'clock. I think we have some type of 10 o'clock news because the way this is looking, the way it shot up like that, it looks like the news coming in. But overall, I'm still waiting. I don't see anything right now. it's amazing how many, how much information the chart can give you. I've pretty much been trading for 12 years, and I still see new information or different ways to trade. It's amazing. It's amazing, amazing, amazing. I actually might buy this breakout right here. I really don't want to buy it, but I might scalp this one contract. Oops, if I can get it. Hold on, I gotta hurry up. Oh man, I'm gonna scalp this real quick for one contract. So I'm not too sure, but I'm not too sure about this move, so that's why I'm doing one contract. It looks like they want to continue to go back up, one more push. So I'm gonna take this move. We might get stopped out on this one. Only reason why, because I'm looking at buyers having problems right there. But I'm still looking, so I got stopped out real quick for a quick $100, which is good. That's why I went one contract, because it wasn't the best looking, but it definitely looked like it wanted to pop up one more pop. Now this looks like a decent short opportunity. I don't want to go short right now. I'm still looking for the market to maybe pop up one more time. If not, if the market decides not to pop up, I will look for another opportunity. Sellers is definitely looking real good. Sellers is looking real good right here. Now I want to buy right here. My only beef is we have too much resistance right here. Okay. This buy right here, we was above the resistance. If I buy right here, we're pretty much right at the resistance. I really don't want to do that right now, so I'm looking for a possible sell situation if it keeps going down. But overall, I mean, it all depends on what the market is trying to do right now. The way I was looking at the market, okay, the buyers came in. I wanted the market to push up, right? I wanted the market to push up and then pull back. We didn't really do that. What we did was we pushed up, but rejection right here, major rejection right here. So I'm thinking this could be a temporary top right now, okay, and more selling might come in. So this is why it's very good when it comes to trading, okay? Don't let your bias get in the way. I don't care if you think one way, you always have to basically understand what the chart is doing, and you go from there. Don't be stuck on your bias. Don't just, if you feel like the market is going up, don't just keep buying just because you feel like the market is going up. Right now, sellers is clearly, it's very clear that sellers is in the market right now. This would be a very aggressive sell right here, but it might work out. So sellers is in the building. Now, sometimes it could take a good hour, 1 hour to figure out the real direction. So the real direction might still be to the downside, okay? But overall, okay, we had buyers coming right here, buyers coming right here. So when we broke, the high, you have to expect continuation. But notice how we broke this high. We barely broke this high right here. So guess what? You have to change your thought process. You can't continue to, think the same way. So it's a strong possibility that we could continue to go down, all right, and make lower lows. Now they can do something, where they find support right here and go back up. Yeah, that's a possibility. But right now, I'm on the sidelines and I'm trying to basically see what the smart money is doing. Some buyers is trying to come in. Yeah, doesn't convince me at all. We'll see though. It could be, if you look at channel wise, this could be a channel right here. So this could be a possible situation, like, as a possibility. We have support right here. Possibility. I'm not going to take any trades right now though. If you look at the structure though, the buyers still have the upper hand because we didn't create any new lows. But right now I'm still trying to figure out what the smart money is doing. I don't want to rush anything. I might take a long right here. We'll see. No, I'm not going to take a long. Not yet. Because we definitely could get a decent bounce from here. But I don't want to rush anything yet. I hope these dudes don't go straight up, okay? I hope these don't go straight up like this. I hope they at least pull back, give me an entry or something. If they're gonna, they're gonna go long, I hope they give me an entry. Because what they can do is just go straight up. And like I said, once again, I'm okay with that. I'm okay with missing moves. right, so that's what it looks like is going on right now. I want a better pullback than this. Goodness gracious. Anyway, so most likely, just this sell-off was just probably a washout. Just showing possibility this sell-off was a washout, and they're going to continue to go back up. I'm trying to get in the move right now. I didn't want to force it by this trade right here. I was hoping they would give me a pullback. This that pullback right here wasn't. It was okay, but I want a better pullback than that. So once again, I might miss this move, which is okay. I missed this move right here. Usually, I get in right here, but like I said, I was trying to make sure overall what these guys wanted to do. So overall, right now, it looks like they probably want to go back up. I'm looking again for another pullback. If we get a decent pullback, I might take this long right here. All right, we'll see. Because overall, you see that this channel is working right now, right? But you see that it doesn't matter. Well, I'm at a stage where it doesn't matter if I have a channel or if price is at support and resistance. I just don't buy just because, okay? So if that means, price moves without me, I'm okay with that. But for the most part, I'm trading a 1 minute chart, so I don't really get those that often. Once in a while I'll get price move without me. Okay, it is what it is. But for the most part, since I am trading a small time frame, I still get decent trades. Now I can be aggressive and buy the high of this. I don't want to be that aggressive yet, because it's a strong possibility we can actually pull back a little bit more. I'm hoping we can do that. But the aggressive buy would be buy if it continues to go up. I don't want to do that yet. All right, so we definitely getting a pullback, so we'll see. Yeah, I think the market probably wants to pull back and go a little lower. I want to see how they pull back. I want to see if a lot of sellers come in. So if a lot of sellers come in, then most likely they want to bring it down more. But we'll see. We will see. For some reason, it seems like these guys just want to go straight up. So I might look to get in if they break this top. Probably do an aggressive buy if they break the top. If they break this top right here, I might do an aggressive buy because these guys are not really pulling back. And it looks like the smart money is looking like they want to come in. So they give me no choice to basically buy this top. All right, sellers coming in. So sellers came in right here. So we didn't get filled. Definitely didn't get filled at all. Oh, well, we might get filled right now. I don't know yet. Alrighty, so let's see if smart money can push this bad boy up to the highs. Because overall, I mean, this looks like a washout, and it looks like it's probably going to go make a new high. So that's what I'm looking at right now. I'm willing to take a loss on this one because it's just, you know, it's just, you know, smart money is. It definitely looks like the smart money wants to push this market to the upside. But we will see. If it goes down, then I'll look for shorts. And if I take a loss on this one, I will be okay with it. For Nasdaq, man, this looks like a slow market, you know. I usually trade the crude oil. I switched yesterday. You know, I mean, crude lately just been very, very. Let me see what crude is doing right now. Let's see what crude is doing right now. Let's see what crude is doing. Crude is looking horrible too. Goodness gracious. Yeah, that's why I switched to Nasdaq, because Nasdaq usually give you some more volatility. Okay. Yeah, smart money looks like they want to push this up. So I'm gonna go. You know, like I said before, if you look at this big channel right here, we definitely held support right here. Okay, I wanted a better pullback than this. I wanted to get in right here, but like I said before, I'm at this stage where I'm not forcing any trades. I wasn't too sure exactly what these guys wanted to do, so I'm willing to, you know, take a loss. Not take a loss. Willing to what do you call that? be patient and move and what's the word I'm looking for? Miss out on trades. I'm looking to be very, very patient. So even if I take a loss on this one, I'm okay with this. Okay. Right now, it looks like smart money wants to push this market one more, go higher one more time. So that's what I'm looking for. While I wait for that, I'm gonna take a quick break. And I'll be right back. All right, I'll come back and the market is still looking like slow, but I take it. I mean, guys, if you look at the VIX, let me check the VIX real quick. The VIX overall, let me see. The VIX is at pretty much. Let me see. The VIX, goodness gracious, the VIX is at 11, guys. Oh my goodness, that sucks. And you wonder why we are looking this slow. The VIX is at 11.4 or something like that. That's nuts. That is nuts. 11.4, the VIX. All right, so I'm looking for a nice little squeeze. Let me see here. Boom, 85. All right, let's give me a little pop. There you go. All right, I'm out. I'm done for the day. The VIX is so slow, it's ridiculous. But you know, when the VIX is this slow, you know, your paycheck suffers from it. But at the same time, you know, I'm up. If you look at it, I'm up $510. Man, that beats any job, bro. Like, you know, that beats any job. So that's why I love trading full time from home. Because you can set your own paycheck. But overall, when the VIX gets lower, you know, your paycheck, you know, I wouldn't say suffers, but it you know, you would definitely see, you know, you wouldn't see the big paychecks. But $510 is good enough. That honestly, trust me, my last job, let me see, my last job I was making, for me to make $510, I probably had to work maybe, yeah, five days for that, easily 5 days. You know, I made it one day. And, you know, this is on the low end side. You know, some days I can make 1,500, some days I can make 2,000. All depends on the volatility. But let me just go over these trades because I'm done right now. If anybody have any questions, you can type it in. But I'm pretty much done. I'm going to go over everything. I mean, but if you watch this video, if you watch this live stream, you can basically see or hear my thought process. All right. But anyway, very simple, guys. Very simple. In the morning, okay, we had resistance right here, right? So let me put this here, resistance right here, okay? Why? Actually, let me break it down even better, okay? Why is this resistance? Very simple. Sellers push down the price, all right? When the market opened, we went back to resistance, and guess what? Rejection, right? Sellers came back in. Okay. I didn't want to go short right there. That would be a very aggressive short right here. And plus, if you look at the bars, they pretty big. So I mean, you know, I'm not going to risk this amount. All right. And then, like I said before, we hit support. I just showed you guys that earlier. Support around here. That's when I took my first long for a quick scalp. Okay. Today was pretty much a range day. Okay. Yesterday, guys. Let's look at yesterday. All right. Yesterday was a straightforward out the gate. Buyers come in, bull market. You know, so that's why every single day doesn't look the same. You have to treat every single day different. Okay. This is why a lot of people in general can't day trade for a living, because guess what? They look at one YouTube video and they think that they have the holy grail because this YouTube video say, hey man, this strategy will win, you know, 90% of the time. And they looking at either, what do you call that, indicator. I guarantee you guys, if I post on the thread that I had some magic indicator, I guarantee you I would get more views right now. I get 100% guarantee you. If I say, hey guys, I have a magic indicator that makes me a lot of money, you know, a lot of people be on this live stream right now. But you know, people don't understand price actually controls the indicator. The reason why you see those squiggly lines on your RSI is because of price. So I'd rather look at price than a magic indicator. But anyway, we had resistance right here. We had support. So I did a quick scalp off that. I wanted to buy this right here, but like I said before, I'm at the stage where I don't rush anymore. I don't care. I noticed that when I rush, it gets me in trouble. Yes, today probably is a good example. If I didn't rush, I missed out on a couple of trades, but I can guarantee you I will show you some other days where if I don't rush, it would basically benefit me. Okay, So actually, not just one day, it would be a lot of days where if I don't rush, it would benefit me. So I don't look at one day and say, oh man, I missed out on that trade. I don't look at it that way. Okay, I'll look at majority of the time. Majority of the time, if I rush or if I had that FOMO in me, it's not going to work out. Things are not going to work out. So that's why I had permission to take this trade right here. I had permission to take it, but I didn't want to take it. All right. So we bounced right here. So overall, guys, this told me, okay, because I understand structure. This tells me right here. Guess what? We had a nice little channel break, but guess what? We didn't break it. We didn't go nowhere. We broke it just a little bit. Where is the sellers? No sellers at all. Okay. This is why I love smart money trading right now, because smart money tells you what they want to do. No smart money is selling this right here. Okay. We barely went down. Now, if you look at this big bounce right here, right? That tells me there's a lot of demand right here, right? At the bottom. Now, we did get rejected at the top right here. Okay. But automatically, when we pull back down, what did I say, guys? I said the buyers are still in control. Why? Because we didn't make any lower lows yet. We didn't make any lower lows. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. We didn't make any lower lows. So the buyers are still in control. But I can guarantee you, because you know why? I used to do this. I can guarantee you a lot of rookies thought, oh man, we're going to keep going down. Okay? Because I used to do the same thing. Because this sell right here, if you go to the 4 minute chart or 5 minute chart, look at these bars. Sellers, these are big bars right here. So automatically, yes, you would think that the market is going to go down, okay? But you have to understand structure, and if you just draw this simple channel right here, we found support right here, okay? And then smart money kept this market up. All right, so I did a nice little quick scalp. This is the market you don't want to. This is why. Another reason why most people fail, and I'm going to tell you why, is because they get caught up with having a fixed, we call that a fixed profit target, okay? There's nothing wrong with having a fixed profit target if your profit target is small, but I hear a lot of people having, have a fixed profit target of maybe a 3-to-1 or the 2-to-1. Me personally, just for my, just for me doing this for 12 years, I noticed that having a fixed 2-to-1 risk reward ratio is not going to work out. Not if you want to trade full time. Yes, you can still make money, but I'm going to tell you right now, you're going to have rough weeks. Okay, and those rough weeks will mess with your mind. It will mess with your psychology. So if you want to stay consistent, you have to know when to look for a 2-to-1 and know when to look for the 1-to-1. Right now, the market is not going anywhere. I mean, just look at the market. The market is weak. I'm not looking for a big winner. Okay, so that's why you saw me scalp this. I scalped it right next. I just scalped it to the high, and that's it. All right. I wasn't looking for a big winner because I can tell the market overall, it's not. We call that. It's not bullish. It's not real strong. Let me see here. Let me make sure I'm still live. But overall, I think I'm live. I'll make sure. All right, so I'm pretty much. This is pretty much done for the day. I hope you guys learned something. And shout out to everybody that's watching that replay. And if you're watching this, just hit a like. Just like, if you like this video, just hit that like button. All right, and subscribe if you want to subscribe. Okay. Told you guys later, and I might continue to post, but we'll see. But overall, smart money is in, and we might make a new high because overall the buyers are still in control, but right now it's still 50-50. I'm gonna tell you why, because we still have sellers up top, okay, but buyers can come in at any moment right now. Is continue to make a new high. So anyway, that's it. I'm done for the day. $510. Talk to you guys later, and have a great day.